Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the lift gate, set of all-season floor mats. Linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 98,988 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.